Alright, so good evening on this Friday, February 8th, 2013. This is the blizzard of 2013 that I am driving in right now. Winter Storm Nemo is the other term that the Weather Channel is giving this major storm. And so far, so good. Right now, the entire area, the Long Island, New York City, Boston, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Maine, Vermont, all these states are under a state of emergency, and blizzard warnings are in effect through 6 a.m. Saturday. So that's literally from now to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning that blizzard conditions are going to be expecting to arrive here. Right now, here's the latest. The storm is really forming right now on the south-facing shoreline of Long Island, right by Jones Beach. That's where the heavy bands are, and they're going to be coming here between the hours of 12 a.m. to around 12 a.m. to around 3 a.m. That's when you're going to be seeing the brunt of this winter storm. So far, so good. The roads are passable, but still very slick because they're not completely clear. There's still a mixture of slush and wetness on the floor right now. So it's still kind of slippery. If you don't have four-wheel drive, it's going to be very difficult for you. Even with all-season snow tires, it's still pretty tough, and that's what I have in my car right now. So that's pretty difficult. The roads have been treated with salt, it looks like, so there's not much accumulation. The switch over to from rain to snow happened at around 4 p.m., hence why you see the snow that you see right here on the ground. So not bad. It's just really starting to get worse and worse. Right now, the storm is not too bad. Visibility is very good, so these are not blizzard conditions right now because the visibility is fairly decent. I can see from here all the way at the end. It's usually when the winds start picking up and you have the heavy snow, that's when you get the blizzard conditions with winds above 35 miles per hour sustained with the heavy snow falling. Sometimes you could have a phenomenon called, you could have you could have no snow falling and then the blizzard conditions occur too, because what happens is all the snow that's already been fallen can just blow away and create these snow drifts, thus causing many problems. So right now, so far so good. Right now I'm in Baldwin. This is Kramer Court, making my way to Woodside Avenue in North Baldwin, and so far, so good. No major issues reported right here. There are no accidents. There are no cars in the street, basically. I'm coming home from work, and so that's basically the situation here. There's been a coating on the cars. I've seen, looks to be an inch so far has fallen over here. So this is really not bad at all. This is completely manageable. If it stays like this, now that would be great, wouldn't it? But so far, so good here in Baldwin, New York, on the south shore of Long Island. So there's salt on the roads, so that's helping with the snow melting a little bit. We have some water. It's 32 degrees too, so we're right at freezing. Wow, actually 30 degrees, so it dropped down 2 degrees a little bit. So that's basically it. So just stay safe out there, I'm driving right now, and it's kind of dangerous. I'm using this and driving at the same time, so it's pretty difficult to do what I'm doing right now. I certainly wouldn't advise it, but so far, so good. I have this crazy hat on, of course, because it is so cold out there, and I'm about to pass my house right now. It doesn't look bad at all. The lights are still on, thank goodness. The winds aren't that bad. Right now, you're just having winds that are blowing around. That's typical of a nor'easter. So far, so good. I just passed the house. Lights are still on. So I think we're going to get through this in one piece. This is certainly not Hurricane Sandy. We'll tell you that right now. But it is a storm that it's significant because we haven't seen snowfall like this in a long time. So that's basically what's happening right now. So this is it for this update. I'll do another update as time warrants it. Right now I'm just looking around. There's really no cars in the street at all. So if you really don't have to go out there, don't go out there. Stay home, watch a movie, play video games. If you have power, watch the news, do whatever you can. Just don't get out there because there's really no need to. Alright, so that's going to do it for this update. I'll do another update at around 12 midnight tonight when the storm starts really picking up. Have a great one. Stay safe.